Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Health Heat channel. Are you ready to discover a hidden gem in the world of health and wellness? Today we're diving deep into the amazing benefits of soursop leaf tea. You might know soursop as this incredible tropical fruit, juicy, sweet, and tangy all at once. But what if I told you that the leaves of this amazing plant pack even more of a punch? That's right. Soursop leaf tea is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do everything from boost your immune system to potentially help fight cancer. We're going to uncover 13 powerful benefits of this incredible tea, plus I'll show you exactly how to make it at home. So grab your cup and let's get started. So, what exactly is soursop? Well, it's a tropical fruit with a unique appearance. Imagine a spiky green outer shell and a creamy white flesh on the inside. It's native to the tropical regions of the Americas, including the Caribbean, Central America, and South America. Beyond its delicious taste, soursop has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. While the fruit itself is enjoyed for its refreshing flavor, it's the soursop leaves that truly hold the secret to a healthier you. If you're excited to learn more about this incredible natural remedy and unlock the power of soursop leaf tea, then hit that subscribe button and join our community of health enthusiasts. We're on a journey to discover the best that nature has to offer, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos on natural remedies, healthy living tips, and evidence-based information to help you live your best life. Plus, you'll be supporting our mission to share the healing power of nature with the world. We also have a book for you, Evidence-Based Herbal Remedies, Safe and Effective Ways to Support Your Health with Plants, 2 books in one. You can get it on our website at healthheatcare.com or Amazon, link in the description box below. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's explore the 13 amazing benefits of soursop leaf tea together. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Soursop leaf tea is packed with health benefits. Here are just a few. 1. Boosts immunity. This tea is like a superhero for your immune system. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help your body fight off those nasty colds and infections. The International Food Research Journal found that soursop leaves contain significantly higher levels of vitamin C than many other fruits. Recipe tip: add a squeeze of lemon to your tea for an extra vitamin C boost. Research suggests that soursop leaves may have powerful cancer-fighting properties. Compounds in the leaves, like annonacin, may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Baskar's study published in Universa Medicina even found that soursop leaf extract was effective against breast cancer cells. While more research is needed, this is definitely a promising area of study. For a stronger brew, use 2 tea bags or a heaping tablespoon of loose-leaf soursop. Important note: soursop tea is not a replacement for conventional cancer treatments. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider first before using soursop leaf tea for cancer. Dealing with inflammation? Soursop leaf tea can help soothe your body from the inside out. It contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can help with conditions like arthritis and joint pain. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology even showed that soursop extract significantly reduced inflammation in rats. Enjoy your soursop tea warm or chilled, depending on your preference. If you're watching your blood sugar levels, soursop leaf tea might be a great addition to your diet. Studies indicate that it may help regulate blood sugar, which is great news for those with diabetes or pre-diabetes. For example, research on diabetic rats showed that soursop extract significantly lowered their blood sugar levels. Steep your soursop tea for a shorter time if you prefer a milder flavor. Improve sleep. Trouble sleeping? Soursop leaf tea can help. It has calming and sedative effects that may promote better sleep. This is likely due to its anxiolytic properties, meaning it helps reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that soursop extract significantly increased sleep time in mice. Enjoy a cup before bed and say goodbye to those sleepless nights. Recipe tip: add a teaspoon of honey to your tea for a touch of sweetness and extra relaxation. Relieves pain. Soursop leaf tea can be a natural way to relieve pain. Studies have shown that it has analgesic properties, meaning it can help reduce pain perception. Whether you're dealing with headaches, back pain, or menstrual cramps, this tea can provide soothing relief. Recipe tip: combine soursop tea with other pain-relieving herbs like ginger or chamomile for a synergistic effect. Aids digestion. Feeling bloated or experiencing digestive discomfort? Soursop leaf tea can be your gut's new best friend. It helps soothe the stomach lining and promote healthy digestion. This is because soursop is rich in fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps keep things moving smoothly. In fact, a study published in Food Chemistry found that soursop leaves contain a significant amount of dietary fiber. Recipe tip: drink a cup of soursop tea after meals to aid in digestion. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a serious concern, but soursop leaf tea might offer some support. Studies suggest it can help regulate blood pressure, promoting a healthier cardiovascular system. This is likely due to compounds in soursop that act as ACE inhibitors, which are commonly used in blood pressure medications. One study found that consuming soursop fruit extract significantly reduced blood pressure in rats. Recipe tip: incorporate soursop tea into your daily routine for consistent blood pressure support. Important reminder: soursop tea should not be considered a replacement for prescribed blood pressure medications. Always consult your healthcare providers for personalized advice on managing your blood pressure. Supports liver health. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, and soursop leaf tea can lend a helping hand. It may assist in liver detoxification, keeping this vital organ functioning optimally. A study in pharmacognosy research found that soursop extract helped protect the liver from damage caused by a common painkiller. Recipe tip: enjoy soursop tea as part of a liver-supportive cleanse or detox program. Improves respiratory health. Dealing with coughs, colds, or even asthma? Soursop leaf tea may help. It can help clear congestion and soothe the respiratory system. Traditionally, soursop has been used to treat respiratory ailments, and some research suggests it may have anti-inflammatory effects on the airways. One study found that soursop extract helped reduce airway inflammation in mice with asthma. Recipe tip: add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil to your soursop tea for an extra respiratory boost. Consult a doctor before using essential oils. Want radiant skin? Soursop leaf tea's antioxidants can help. They fight free radicals that damage skin cells, promoting a healthy and youthful complexion. These antioxidants can help protect against wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that soursop leaf extract had strong antioxidant activity and could protect skin cells from damage. Oh, and here's a little recipe tip. Cool your soursop tea and use it as a facial toner for an extra skin-boosting treat. Feeling stressed? Soursop leaf tea can help you unwind. It has calming effects on the nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. This is likely due to compounds in soursop that interact with neurotransmitters in the brain, promoting a sense of calm. A study published in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that soursop leaf extract had significant anti-anxiety effects in mice. Recipe tip: enjoy a cup of soursop tea in a quiet space, taking time to breathe deeply and relax. Soursop leaf tea isn't just about the specific benefits we've mentioned, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. It contains essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium, which are vital for overall health. These nutrients support strong bones, healthy blood, and proper nerve and muscle function. A study published in the Journal of Food Composition and Analysis analyzed the nutritional content of soursop leaves and found them to be a good source of these essential nutrients. Recipe tip: make soursop tea a regular part of your diet to reap its long-term nutritional benefits. Alright, now that you know all the incredible benefits, let's learn how to make this amazing tea at home. If you have access to a soursop tree, you can harvest fresh leaves. Just make sure they're mature and healthy. Gently pluck a few leaves from the branch. You can use them right away or dry them for later use. If you don't have access to a soursop tree, no worries. You can find dried soursop leaves in the description box below, or comment section from a trusted brand. If you purchase, I may make a small commission that is of no cost to you at all. Now let's get brewing. First, bring some fresh water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add your soursop leaves. You can use about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried leaves or a few fresh leaves per cup of water. Now here comes the important part. Steeping. Let your tea steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the leaves to release all their goodness into the water. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the leaves. And voila! Your soursop tea is ready to be enjoyed. You can drink it as is, or add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. I personally love adding a slice of ginger for a warming kick. There you have it, a simple and delicious way to improve your health. Now before you rush off to brew your own soursop tea, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to consult your doctor before adding soursop tea to your diet. While it's generally safe, it's always better to be cautious when you're expecting or nursing. Medication interactions. Soursop may interact with certain medications, especially those for diabetes or blood pressure. If you're taking any medication, talk to your doctor to make sure there are no potential interactions. Dosage. When starting with soursop tea, it's always best to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. You can gradually increase the amount as needed. Remember, moderation is key, not a substitute for medical treatment. While soursop tea has many potential benefits, it's important to remember that it's not a magic cure-all. It's not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any health concerns, always consult a healthcare professional. I know these considerations may seem a bit serious, but it's important to be informed and responsible when trying anything new. With a little caution and guidance from your doctor, you can safely enjoy the many benefits of soursop leaf tea. So there you have it. 13 amazing reasons to add soursop leaf tea to your life. From boosting your immunity to helping you relax, this incredible drink is a true gift from nature. Are you ready to experience the power of soursop for yourself? I encourage you to give it a try. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below if you've already tried soursop tea and what you think of it. Or, if you're planning to brew your first cup, share your experience. And if you're interested in learning more about the incredible healing power of herbs, be sure to check out my book, Evidence-Based Guide to Herbal Remedies. It's packed with information on how to use nature's medicine to improve your health and well-being. You can find a link to it in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more healthy living tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.